fashion, and when you watch my channel, it will help you increase your reach as well as boost distribution to people with similar interests, so you don't have to spend a lot of money running ads. Hello everyone, welcome to Duke's channel. Duke will guide you on how to nurture your TikTok account so that your interactions are authentic and high quality. And when we live stream, our streams will be recommended on the TikTok platform. Normally when we live stream on these platforms, we need these kinds of audiences. But if we use third-party services, the audience they provide won't match the industry or the needs and desires of everyone. So today Duke will show you all these tools. First of all, there are a lot of languages here. I'll set it to English. There, so everyone can see. When we select a language, there will be different script sections here. We can add the scripts we want here. So for example, you can use keywords here, like these keywords, or information like UID, follow, highlight theme, etc. Here, I already have a script prepared. As you can see, this is the script, and you can choose which keywords you want to follow. This is the script I've already prepared, so everyone can see it. This is the schedule saving script. These are the keywords that allow us to log in and follow the right industry for us. You can view, follow, live stream, or comment depending on your need. The essence of saving the schedule is to make sure it matches the right audience, and when we post in our industry, it helps us go viral. The TikTok bot will recognize that this is a potential target audience for us, and as it watches, it will automatically recommend our content to people with similar needs in those target groups instead of us having to spend money on ads. When we save it, it's just a very simple action. The TikTok platform has a lot of sections and features like this. There are a lot of features here in this section. Messaging, adding to cart, or setting up a live stream, for example. Now I'm going to click start for this schedule saving script. If you want to find more information, you can go to the YouTube channel to see more details. Now let's press start. It will automatically open each tab to save the schedule. Having 1 to 2,000 accounts is normal. Managing them doesn't take much time. It opens each one separately, one by one. Here I'm testing with 10 accounts for you to see, because opening too many at once would be very difficult. And all these features on our side are the best in the Vietnamese market. See, it automatically scrolls according to the keyword, automatically logs into the account as well. We don't need to do anything manually. You can see, right? It will automatically log into the account, go to these profile links, and this tool helps you change various information, account information. Here, it automatically scrolls, starts automatically browsing through the videos. See, it will automatically scroll, watch, and target exactly the industry we want, so our account will be really good. It reviews, it interacts a lot within our industry, automatically composes messages all within that industry, whatever it is. When you log in with the password, using this account will help us save time when we need to handle a large volume automatically. Is there anything else? It's all automatic. Completely automatic, always automatic, just like a real person's schedule. TikTok algorithm won't be able to tell if this is a real user or a scheduled action because we set it up to behave exactly like a human. It automatically replies to messages as well. So when you see how we manage multiple accounts like this, you can adjust it according to your own needs. I'll leave the information below in the description section. This is my YouTube channel. Goodbye and see you all next time.